Hi, welcome to another video for Are We the Baddies? I'm Ed, and today we are looking inside this Star Wars Nerf Death Trooper blaster. Just because I decided to paint the insides today, just the insides of the barrel here, it got quite interesting, so I thought it'd be worth a little video. I originally took the batteries out on the other side of this because I thought that might be an issue. It isn't. The battery compartment is all one piece. There's the electronics for the sound, the trigger. Now you'll see here the wiring is glued firmly in. That's quite good there. That isn't moving, and the wiring then splits up into two parts here. This lower part goes to the LED lights there. That wiring goes there into this, and there are 6 LEDs. I had to count there. 6 LEDs for these 3 tubes, so it's nice and bright. And then the other set of wiring, which is again glued in place there and there, goes up to the red lights up here along the top. Now this does slide out. I did slide it out earlier when I was spraying, but I've put it back in place just for this video. So you can see under it where the LEDs are. And here you can see the LEDs here. And that's the tube. I just wanted to open this up, just see if I could open it up, just to give this a quick spray black inside. But one of the things that made it interesting, there was all the screws the same size. There was no bigger or smaller screws, they're all there. But one thing that did make it interesting was on the front of the blaster, which is here, where that red part is this ring. Now this ring, I thought you could just prise off. As you can see all these marks here, I thought just put the screwdriver in, just prise it off. You'd be laughing. Not a chance. It's held by these 3 hooks or lips, and as I didn't know what I was looking for, it was quite a bit of a, you can see, I don't know if you can see the white where I used the screwdriver to properly, I used a flathead, not this Phillips head screwdriver. And I used that to really just gouge it out. Didn't need to, because with this one I've got here, as you can see the guides where the lips, that lip thing is. Put a screwdriver in there, flathead screwdriver, bend it down and it should pop out. I'll be trying that later with this one, as you can see. But this, going back to this already opened one, that's basically what it is. Same plunger, trigger, charging tube thing, just with added noise. The noise happens when you pull the trigger, regardless of whether it's cocked. When it is cocked, these lights come on. But it's still, at the end of the day, still works just like any other Nerf. When you open this up, there's a lot less springs. Well, in fact, there's no springs that really jump out. There's this one spring here. But that is quite stuck in there. That isn't running away. And in fact, that really is the, oh, and that spring there for the trigger. Oops. But that's it, those 2 springs, and that's it. There is one, where does this button go? There is one of these buttons here at the top for the sight, if you want to click on it a sight, but no spring underneath it. It's literally a wedge. Basically it's just a wedge that the scope or whatever you put on, usually it's for these Star Wars guns, it's a scope. The Star Wars gun just runs over this, clips in place, and then you want it off again. There's no spring, there's no nothing, there's not even room for it to move. So that is that. I've opened it up, and I thought I'd show you what I've got, because I've got one of them, and then I've got that one there. But for now, like I said, it was just an interesting little look inside. And I hope, if you're taking one apart and you're searching on YouTube videos, that this has been a help. There you go, thank you very much.